The Battle of the Titans, AMD versus Intel in 2025. Hey everyone, Linus here. Today, we're diving deep into the epic clash between these two tech giants. It's a rivalry that's been brewing for decades, and in 2025 it's more intense than ever. From gaming rigs to professional workstations, the choice between AMD and Intel can make or break your setup. We're talking CPUs, the brains of our PCs. These tiny chips are the heart and soul of our computers, driving everything from basic tasks to complex computations. Without them, our machines are just fancy paperweights. For years, it was Intel's world, and we were just living in it. Intel dominated the market with their powerful processors, setting the standard for performance and reliability. They were the go-to choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC. But hold on to your heatsinks, because AMD has been dropping the hammer, turning this into a real showdown. With their Ryzen and Threadripper series, AMD has been pushing the envelope, offering incredible performance at competitive prices. They've forced Intel to step up their game, leading to a fierce competition that's great for consumers. We're talking performance, price, the whole shebang. AMD's multi-core processors have been a game changer, especially for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. Meanwhile, Intel has been focusing on improving single-core performance and power efficiency. It's a battle of different strengths, and the choice isn't always clear-cut. Choosing the right CPU isn't just about bragging rights though, it's about finding the best fit for your specific needs. Are you a gamer looking for the highest frame rates? Or maybe a content creator needing fast rendering times? Your choice will impact your overall experience. It's about getting the best experience for your hard-earned cash. With so many options on the market, it's crucial to do your research and find the CPU that offers the best value for your money. Don't just go for the most expensive option, look for the one that meets your needs without breaking the bank. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative pro, or just want a snappy system, your CPU choice matters. The right processor can make your system feel fast and responsive, while the wrong one can lead to frustrating slowdowns and bottlenecks. It's all about finding the perfect balance between performance and price. So, buckle up as we break down why, in 2025, AMD is winning this fight. We'll look at benchmarks, real-world performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned, because this is one showdown you won't want to miss. Intel inside, now outside, a legacy challenged. Let's be real, Intel has been a powerhouse for decades. From the early days of personal computing, Intel's processors have been at the heart of countless machines, driving innovation and performance. Their technology has powered everything from home PCs to enterprise servers, making them a household name and a trusted brand in the tech industry. Their Intel Inside sticker was a badge of honor. It symbolized quality, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. Consumers and businesses alike sought out that little sticker, knowing it meant they were getting the best. They pushed the boundaries of what CPUs could do, and we all benefited. Faster processing speeds, better multitasking, and more efficient power usage became the norm thanks to Intel's relentless pursuit of excellence. But you know what they say about sitting on the throne for too long? Complacency can set in. When you're at the top, it's easy to become comfortable and lose the drive that got you there in the first place. Yep, things can get a little stale. Innovation can slow down, and before you know it, the cutting-edge technology you were known for starts to look a bit dated. Intel's dominance made them comfortable. They were the kings of the hill, and it seemed like nothing could knock them off their perch. But comfort can be a double-edged sword. Innovation slowed down, prices crept up, and suddenly consumers weren't feeling the love anymore. The once loyal customer base began to question whether they were getting the best value for their money. Enter AMD, stage left, with a fire in their belly and a point to prove. They saw an opportunity to challenge the status quo, to bring fresh ideas and renewed competition to the market. And they seized it with both hands, shaking up the industry and giving consumers a reason to be excited again. Ryzen rises AMD's comeback story. AMD's journey hasn't been easy. They've had their ups and downs, battling perceptions and technical hurdles. But a few years back, something amazing happened. They dropped Ryzen on the world. Ryzen wasn't just a good CPU, it was a statement. More cores, better performance, and yes, lower prices. Suddenly, PC enthusiasts and everyday users alike were taking notice. AMD was back, baby, and they were here to stay. Section 4 benchmarks don't lie. AMD flexes its muscles. Let's talk numbers, people. In benchmark after benchmark, AMD's Ryzen CPUs are trading blows with and often surpassing Intel's offerings. Multi-core performance, crucial for multitasking and content creation, is where AMD shines. Gaming performance, once Intel's domain, is now a neck-and-neck race. And don't even get me started on power efficiency. AMD's Zen architecture sips power like a fine wine, keeping your system cool and your electricity bill happy. Section 5. The price is right, value reigns supreme. Here's where things get really interesting. Not only is AMD competitive on performance, but they're also delivering it at a lower cost. That's right, you get more bang for your buck. In an age where every penny counts, AMD understands the assignment. They're making powerful computing accessible to everyone, from students to professionals. And that, my friends, is a game changer. Section 6. Future-proofing your rig. AMD's got you covered. Buying a new CPU isn't something you do every day. It's a significant investment, and you want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But when you go with AMD, you're not just buying a CPU, you're investing in a future-proof platform. You want it to last, to be compatible with future upgrades. The last thing you want is to find out that your new CPU is already outdated in a year or two. AMD understands this concern and has designed their products to ensure longevity and compatibility. AMD gets that, which is why their AM5 socket is a breath of fresh air. Support for DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0, and future Ryzen CPUs means your investment is protected. This means you can enjoy the latest technologies without having to replace your entire system, and future Ryzen CPUs means your investment is protected. The AM5 platform is designed to be forward compatible, so you can upgrade to newer CPUs as they are released without needing a new motherboard. This not only saves you money but also gives you the flexibility to keep your system up to date with minimal hassle. You can upgrade components down the line without needing a whole new motherboard. This modularity is a game changer for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike, allowing for incremental upgrades that keep your system at peak performance. Talk about peace of mind. Knowing that your system is built to last and can easily adapt to future advancements takes a huge weight off your shoulders. With AMD, you're not just buying a CPU, you're investing in a future-proof solution that offers both performance and longevity. Section 7. The verdict is in. AMD takes the crown. So, there you have it. The battle was fierce, but in 2025, AMD emerges as the clear winner. Performance, price, innovation, energy efficiency, they're ticking all the right boxes. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Do your research, check out those benchmarks, and see for yourself. The future of computing is here, and it's powered by AMD. Now let's go build some awesome PCs.